Hi guys, welcome. Tanya here, and in today's video I want to show you how to use a chimney starter to light your charcoals for grilling this season. I want to revisit this video, guys, because 2 years ago I did a video. I was just starting out on YouTube. The audio was terrible. Nobody watched this video for months, and then it took off and I got thousands of views on it, but I don't think anyone could really hear it. So today I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your chimney starter. So the supplies you'll need a chimney starter. I got this one from Walmart for $9.88. This is the same one I used 2 years ago. Today I'm using some instant lighting fluid, lighting charcoal briquettes. These for Expert Grill. These are $4.88 for a 6-pound bag. You're going to need some matches, some paper, no lighter fluid needed, and then just have some paper towels on hand. And have some pot holders, a towel, and some oven mitts. These are from Dollar Tree. They're okay, but you need some really, some really strong ones, All right, so the first thing is, let me bring you guys down. What I do, I crumble up the paper. Stick it under the bottom here. Pour in some charcoal. Hope you guys can hear that. Pour in some charcoal. I'm outside and just don't want to wake up my neighbors. And like last year, this time we had a whole woods. It was all woods back there. They're building a new subdivision back there, so a lot of trees have been, almost all the trees have been taken down, so at least we're getting more lighting. Okay, and fill the chimney starter up to about this. Leave maybe like a 1/2 inch or 1 inch clearance at the top, okay? Normally I use like printer paper, but I haven't gotten any lately, so I'm running low on that. So this is my first time using this. Okay, see that? It's burning. Chimney starter on top of the burning paper. You see already it's smoking. And we're going to just let it all work, let it burn all the way up until the flames start, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, that's good. So you let that go to work, and then I go in there. Then I'm going in and going to prep my meat. Okay guys, you see the flames? The paper has now started burning the flames of the charcoal. So you just let that go. And when all the charcoals are white and ashen, then they're ready to go. Okay, so that's what you want. And it'll take a little longer. If you're using regular charcoal, it'll take a little longer. With these, lit up fast because I'm using the instant lighting charcoals. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay guys, this is what you want. So when the coals burn down, when they get white, I feel safer using this. It's more contained. It's not like a big mass fire in your grill that you can't control. So, you know, this is what you want. And so give it 10-15 minutes, it'll burn down, and then I'll be ready to pour it in the grill and then put the grate on it and throw my meat on there. Okay guys, the coals are ready to be dumped. Be careful. I dump them to one side, so I have a direct cooking side and an indirect heat side. That's good. Going to put the grate on here. I brushed off. This is like the first time I've used this grill since last May. Let the coals burn off this excess crud. And I use one of these, help it along. Open up the grates, the top of the vents. I open the vents up pretty much wide open. Okay guys, so I dumped the coals in the grill. On one side I have a direct heat side, an indirect heat side. Put the grate on there, let it burn off most of that crud. I sprayed it with a little non-stick spray. So now we're going to put on our ribs. And in my other video, I showed you guys my oven method. I baked these ribs low and slow in the oven for like 2.5 hours. They were fabulous. I cut off a little ends to taste it. Like I like to keep a lot of those like spare pieces for testing. Okay, so now we're going to put our ribs on. And I'm going to use my hands because they're clean and the meat's cooked. So these are the ribs. Okay, so these are our baked ribs. Okay, so baking them was all about keeping the tenderness in and keeping them moist. So now we're just gonna get some color on them and heat them up and get some of this smoked, this pecan wood and charcoal flavor in them. And I'm gonna put them on the direct heat side for a minute. Then this little piece here, and when I baked this one, that bone came out. Everything is so tender. Okay, just let that cook. Let it warm up. Okay guys, so that's how you use a chimney starter. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and like this video, comment, share it, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, okay? And subscribe. I don't know if I asked you to subscribe. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye, Mom. So beautiful out here today. You know, get the moisture in them at the beginning. So now all we're doing is just getting some color on them and fusing them with that pecan wood and charcoal flavor and getting some color on them. All right, so I'll keep you guys posted.